Alright guys, here comes Caltrain 427 with Bombardier's car with Bombardier cars with the MP36 at the back. Let's see what's leading this. Woo! Woo! Looks like 118's leading, I think. Woo! No, 116's leading, guys. Woo! Locomotive in a long time. Woohoo! Wow, guys, 928's back, guys. Yeah, after like 9 or wait, let's see here. How many months? No, it was here in April, I think. Wait, May, June, July, August, September. 5 months we haven't seen this engine. 5 months. 5 months, guys. Woohoo! Back, guys. Woohoo! There's a not too late, guys. Woohoo! That was awesome. Yeah, guys, we're doing Labor Day weekend railfanning. We're going to go to Millbrae or Broadway on Labor Day, but we're going to be railfanning Burlingame tomorrow or Broadway tomorrow. But Millbrae probably for sure on Labor Day. So anyways, guys, see you on the next video. Woohoo! Woo! Woohoo! 113 leading, guys. Woohoo! 2 months with cars, 9 balls, guys. Woohoo! And guys, see you on the next video. Woohoo! Alright, guys, we're at Broadway Station right now. Here comes 903. Woo! 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 We're doing Labor Day railfanning. Woo! Yeah, that was a nice engineer, guys. Yeah, I haven't seen 903 in a long time. Woo! And 40, 13 at the back, guys. Woo! Anyways, guys, see you on the next video. Woo! Alright, guys, here comes the northbound Caltrain. Woo! Alright guys, here comes the Caltrain right now. Woo! Just regular galley cars. Woo! Looks like it's 2:33. Oh, 4:33. Woo! This is 4:33. Woo! Woohoo! With 40-21 leading, guys. Woohoo! Darn, I wish it was 40-20 because it has a cool horn. Not 40-21, but I meant 40-20. That's a good horn. Yeah, we're still doing Labor Day Railfaning, so tomorrow's Labor Day, so that's the whole weekend. We're doing 3-day Labor Day weekend Railfaning, so yeah. 4:33 should be leaving right now. Woohoo! Should be leaving. Should be going right now. It's weird. Oh guys, today the Burlingame station is open today, so just so you know. You get to go inside, look at the history and stuff, you know. So yeah, it's pretty cool. When is... What the heck? Yeah, should be going. Yeah, oh yeah, it's jam-packed, that's why. Dang, it is jam-packed, because is there like a giant team today? I don't know. Like the longest northbound. No. Oh, no, here it goes. Woohoo! Finally! Yeah, guys, it's finally going right now. Woohoo! Dang! That was all fast. No, that was all fast way. I mean, like, started up really fast. Woohoo! 40-14 in the middle right there, the other cab car. Alright guys, here comes the Caltrain F40 for Caltrain 440 is approaching, guys. We're still doing our Labor Day Railfaning. Anyways, woo! Let's see what's leading. 900's leading, guys. Woohoo! Car 40-25 at the back, guys. Woo! Anyways, guys, see you on the next video. Woohoo! Well, guys, here comes Caltrain 441. Woo! Just regular galley cars, guys. Woo! one's leading. 40,001 leading. Okay guys, so I think 906 or 916 is at the back. 906 or 916 is at the back, guys. I don't know what's at the back, but yeah guys, the Mission Bay local should be coming. I'm gonna see it tonight, come back also. There goes Caltrain at 441. Woohoo! At the back, guys. Woohoo! And guys, going next to you. Woohoo! Alright guys, here comes the northbound Bombardier Express. Woo! Oh wow, it's flying, guys. Woo! Woo! 16's leading. Woohoo! Woohoo! There's 928, guys. Woohoo! And there's guys going next to it. Woohoo! Alright guys, the Mission Bay local isn't here yet. Yeah, it's 6:44, 6:45 now. Here comes Caltrain. Caltrain is this, guys. F40 there. I thought it was going to be 36, but it's F40. Woo! Has Bombardier cars, guys. Woohoo! 912's leading. Woohoo! Woohoo! Leading southbound Caltrain after, guys. Woohoo! And 113 at the back, of course, guys. Woo! There's guys going next to you. Woo! Alright guys, here comes the late Mission Bay local. Yeah, it's late. Woo! Woo! Alright, we're gonna come probably back tonight and see it come back. Woo! Woo! 11:31. Did you see that? So we're gonna hear 11:31 torn tonight. Woohoo! And it was God's seal and expedited. Woohoo!